In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a OneDrive link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sharing documents for a project or just want easier access to files on multiple devices, learning how to generate and use a OneDrive link will be a breeze. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to Microsoft's OneDrive page. You can do this simply by searching Microsoft OneDrive in your preferred web browser or clicking directly if you have a bookmark saved. Once you are on the OneDrive homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but the main thing to focus on right now is the Sign In button. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to proceed. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there'll be an option to create one, but assuming you already have an account, go ahead and enter your details to log in. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your OneDrive homepage. Now that you're signed in, take a look at your OneDrive interface. Here, you'll see all your folders and files neatly organized. What you'll want to do next is select the file or folder you wish to share. Once you've chosen the specific file or folder, pay attention to the options that appear along the top navigation area. Look for a button labeled Share. This is an essential step in creating a link that you can easily share with others. Go ahead and click on the Share button. Upon clicking Share, a new window or section will open with different sharing options. This is where you'll get to decide who can see or edit the files you're sharing. By default, there's usually a setting that allows anyone with the link to view and edit the content. You can adjust these settings by clicking on the Anyone with the link can edit option. This step provides some flexibility, allowing you to cater the permissions to your audience. Whether you want the link to be view only or editable by demand, you can adjust those here. Once you've finalized your link settings, press the Copy Link button. This will generate the link, which you can now share with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who needs access. You can paste the link in an email, a message, or however you choose to distribute it. And there you have it. Creating a shareable OneDrive link is an easy process that can greatly enhance how you collaborate and share information online. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and that it will help streamline your digital sharing needs. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.